Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and welcome to our video today, which is on getting some free seeds. So it's fall and we always want to make the most of our gardens and get the most out of them as we possibly can. And why not get some free seeds and save a little bit of money? So I'm here with my pole beans, my green beans here, and they were the tricolor beans, so yellow, purple, and green. Loved them, and I'd like to have them again next year. Now, instead of buying my seeds, there's an easy way to harvest the seeds so that I can store them for the winter and plant them again next year. And I can have my seeds for years to come because they do store really well. So I want to walk you through this because this is so easy and I have a lot of fun with this, and I just feel really good about getting some more free stuff out of my gardens. So number one is, when you harvest your green beans, leave a few of them on the vines. Now you could also do this with your bush beans as well, but leave a few, let them go, be lazy. So it inevitably happens that I can't get to harvesting all of my green beans because I get sidetracked with so many other gardening tasks. So I do end up leaving some beans right here on the trellis, and I do have another video coming out on the trellises here that I have in the vegetable garden. But you can see there's a couple other things planted with them, and we're going to ignore those for now and save those for the other video. But you can see how I'm just leaving the beans alone, and these are the green ones here. So just leaving them right on the vine. Now you can leave them on the vine until they're completely dry. So right now they are not ready. When they're dry, and I'm going to show you a little bit in the video, they're going to turn brown, and when you shake the pods, they're going to rattle a little bit. And you want them to be firm, the beans to be firm. So if they are mushy and soft, they're too wet, they're soggy, then you're going to discard those. Those are not going to keep for you. So if you get tired of looking at them in the garden, and I did get tired of looking at another trellis that actually fell over, it was so heavy, you can go ahead and clip the vines, clip the pods, and you can dry them inside. So I'm going to bring you over to the patio now at the table, and I'm going to show you how I am preserving the beans that I snipped off the other trellis. Okay, so if you don't want to leave them in the garden on the vines, you can just clip the vines, you can remove the rest of the plant and save the beans and dry them inside in a well ventilated area. So I'm outside now, I'm not going to leave them out here, I'm going to bring them in the house and just let them dry just like this. So you can see here I have a mix, because I want to have a mix of the seeds of the green, the yellow beans, and then the beautiful purple beans. So you do want to make sure you get a mix if you're following along at home and you have some tri-colored bush beans or pole beans that you're also saving the seeds from. So we're just going to go ahead and let them dry completely in the pods. So leave them in the pods, and when they rattle, the pods are going to turn brown, then that means they're ready. So the next step is we're going to remove them from the pods. Now when you remove them, it's pretty exciting because you can get 5 to 10 seeds per pod. So we're going to have quite a bit of beans to store, and free beans, by the way, super exciting. So next you just want to find a clean jar. It can be glass, plastic, or you could also use envelope or some paper bags, and you want to put the beans in the jars or the envelopes or bags. And then you want to label them. So I like to label them what they are and put a date on them. Now, if they're stored properly, they're going to keep from 3 to 5 years. So they'll be viable for 3 to 5 years. And we're gonna have so many, we may not have room in the garden to plant them all next year. So we'll have free beans for years to come. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to get some free beans out of your vegetable garden. And honestly, it's going to be one of the last things I do before I pull out all of my vegetable bedding plants. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we have lots more gardening coming your way.